Hello people, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and let me start by apologizing for not posting video for the past few months or few weeks. But now guys, I'm back and I'm fully back. I'm going to be trying to post video oftenly as usual. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making butternut soup. I'm going to be giving you the recipe. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. I got these at 158 Kenya shillings both. One of the ingredients that we need in this recipe is a butternut. We are going to first peel the butternut, remove the seed and cut it into smaller pieces. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. You can cut the butternut into a favorable size and shape of the butternut that you want. And also guys, I have ginger and red onions. And love is all we'll ever trust. Once that's ready, I'm going to preheat my pot and then fry my red onions. Yeah. No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. Keep stirring your onions until they turn golden brown. That means they will be well cooked. And on we'll go. As I'm waiting for my onion to turn golden brown, I'm going to slice in my ginger so that it can cook together with the onion. Avoid too much ginger when making your butternut soup, unless you want your butternut soup to be so bitter from ginger. Once the ginger starts cooking, it starts like bubbling up, and now you can put in your butternut so that it can cook all together. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't miss a beat, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow. Stir everything together and then add salt to taste. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Keep stirring until you feel the mixture is even, and then now you can come in with water so that you can bring the butternut and the ginger to boil and to cook well, so that you can continue with the recipe. Do not add too much water and do not add too little water. Just add enough water that will allow your butternut and your mixture to cook. I'll then come in with Royco. This is a beef cube. You can add any spices that you love or any spice that you would like to fill in your butternut soup. Mix that well and then cover the mixture so that it can come to a boil and cook. You grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the waste. Once you're comfortable that the butternut is well cooked, you can see I'm checking if it's well cooked by trying to cut it using the spatula, and for me I feel it's well cooked. So for now I can just put off the cooker, then give it some few minutes or some few hours so that it can cool down, and then continue with the next step of the recipe, which is the last step of the recipe. But before that, I'm going to be adding black pepper, because I also love the taste of black pepper in this butternut soup. And then I'll give that a mix so that it can mix well with the rest. And then guys, I'm going to switch off the cooker now so that I can leave it to cool and then continue with the recipe. Guys, let me take this chance to remind you to subscribe if you've not subscribed. And if you're new here, karibu sana. This is a channel where we do everything and anything positive. We do only positive vibes. So guys, stay connected, subscribe, like the video, share the video to your friends. And guys, let's grow my community. By now the butternut is cool. You can see I'm holding the sufuria with my bare hands. So I'm going to go to the next step, which is blending. I'm going to put all this in the blender, add a glass of milk, and then blend it together.
Turns the sun rays and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Let me share a secret here. The longer that you blend this butternut soup, the thicker it is, and the lesser you blend it, the thin it is. So guys, it's up to you, the soup that you want. If you need a thicker one, you can blend for a longer time. Mine, I blended for a longer time, and you can see how yummy it is, how sweet it is, and how thick it is. So guys, I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander, as you can see, just for presentation ni muhimu. And guys, that's how we make our butternut soup. It's so yummy, so sweet, so delicious. You can use it as your starter during your meals, as your breakfast, as just a snack during the day, as the way you want it, guys. And guys, that's how we make our butternut soup, and this is so yummy, so sweet. And guys, hope you try and make sure to share it with me. And before I end the video, guys, I want to share with you this. I bought 40 tissues at only 1100 Kenya shillings. Mi siamini naeza nunua tissue 10 pack at 500. So I'm only enjoying the offers when they last. So nilienda nikapata 40 rolls at 1100. It's such a save. One 10 pack, so I have 50 rolls of tissues. And guys, that's the end of the video. See you in my next one. Bye bye, and take care of yourselves.